Understanding the phrase, house guest, in English. Hello everyone, welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a common and interesting phrase in English, house guest. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your English skills, this video will help you understand what a house guest is and how to use this phrase in daily conversation. Let's dive in. A house guest is someone who is invited to stay in another person's home for a short period. Unlike a tenant or a boarder, a house guest is usually a friend, relative, or acquaintance, and they typically do not pay for their stay. It's a form of hospitality offered by the host. To understand how house guest is used in everyday English, let's look at some examples. 1. We're having a house guest next weekend. My cousin is coming to stay with us. 2. Can you recommend some tourist spots? I want to entertain our house guest. 3. Being a good house guest means respecting the host's rules and privacy. In these sentences, the phrase, house guest, conveys the idea of a temporary guest in someone's home, emphasizing the temporary and social nature of the stay. In different cultures, the concept of a house guest can vary. For instance, in some cultures, having a house guest is a common and frequent occurrence, often seen as an opportunity for socializing and showing hospitality. In other cultures, having a house guest might be less common and more formal. Understanding this can help in cross-cultural communication. Being a good house guest involves certain etiquettes. Respect the host's space and privacy. Offer to help with chores or expenses. Follow any house rules set by the host. Thank your host for their hospitality. Similarly, hosts have etiquettes too, like making the guest feel comfortable and providing necessities. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of house guest in English. Remember, it's a phrase that goes beyond just its definition. It's about hospitality, cultural practices, and etiquette. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to bringing more insightful content to help with your English learning journey. Stay tuned and happy learning!